Hello, my lovely Scorpio. How are you, loves? I hope everybody's well. Scorpio, welcome to your monthly reading. This will be for the month of March 2021. Sun, Moon, Rising Signs, and Venus Signs. Take what mostly speaks, resonates, and connects with you. Leave what doesn't. And of course, Scorpios, let's not be judging because might be your energy, might be the other energy. Also, each and everyone is inviting wherever in the world you are. Either you are Scorpio, either you are a cross watcher. Let's see, loves, what we have here for this month. Also, this reading, as you know, the monthly reading are more extensive and have an extension at the end of this. And the extension, you know, to find it is in the memberships. There is a link down below on this video in the description box where you can find that, you know, extension. And also in the extension here, we'll pick a few zodiac signs from Aries to the Pisces randomly. And we'll look into the overall energy between you two this month. The vibes of your Scorpio, their vibes, and a possible outcome between you two. So we'll see you there. If something here you feel that I might speak to you, loves. Let's see, loves. We're using today for this month the Wisdom of the Oracle and the borderless deck of the Tarot. Scorpio, we have regeneration. Woof! Rise above, my loves. Between worlds, thinker, and the fates. Observer. Indeed, here, there's something here ending, and something here seems that starts. Faded energy for you, loves. You might deal here with an air sign, doesn't need to. But I feel here there is something here you need to clean it up. Because whatever it's coming, it's quite big, huge. Alright, loves. And the energy is very strong. Whatever is here, it's faded. It's like you want to avoid it or not, will happen anyway. Okay? And make sure that you're ready. Because I feel here it's quite the crossroads energy. But something here for real needs to go away. Whatever you've gone through here, Scorpio, with the observer energy here, is kind of like watch your back kind of a thing. Or whatever you are, keep an eye on, it's coming. Alright, loves. So be very much like how one of my friends said, like, don't be just with 2 eyes, have 4 or 6 eyes. Watch your back, watch your front, watch all the time. But let's see, loves, what that is all about and how that is connecting with you, loves. Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising Signs, and Venus Signs. King of Pentacles, 9 of Wands, Chariot, and the Devil. There's something here. You might deal here with an Earth, Cancerian, or specifically a Capricorn. I was like, what? But there is quite opposite energy here. I want to go. Should I not? What should I do? Because Chariot, it's Cancerian. Devil, it's Capricorn. Very much opposite the energies here. There's an urge of something. I want to do it. I'm not sure. Should I do it? Should I? It's like, it's that kind of a thing. It's like I am not, like, not even there. I'm not even here. That's the between worlds. And the regeneration, it's more like a tower moment for me in this context. So Spirit says, make your mind. Three of Cups, Knight of Wands, Nine of Cups, Six of Pentacles, Hermit, Nine of Pentacles, Five of Pentacles, Eight of Swords, and Lovers. Of course, loves will live by choices. For some of you, you have Earth in the chart. I see here Earth signs strongly towards Virgo, Capricorn, Virgo and a Capricorn, Sag energy, Cancerian energy, and Lovers, Gemini energy. There's a choice. There's a choice, my loves. Either you stay in this, either you move forward. Also, Spirit says, you know what's better for you. Look at here, Nine of Pentacles, Nine of Cups. You know what is better for you. But the thing is, you need to make some effort. And there is a situation here who feels like not a win-win for you. But it's not a win-win because you don't choose. And also, that might be a third party as well. Whatever it is here, you feel a little restricted. You might deal here with somebody who is a player. Somebody here encountered the player energy here. And you might feel like, why I even stay here with this person? Why I am even in this situation if I can be somewhere else? Because it's kind of like, with who I'm dealing, I'm anyway consider myself single. And another thing here, I feel lonely. One is to be single, one is to be lonely. That's a very huge difference. And for some of you, Scorpios, you don't recognize yourself. Where you've been and how you are. Like you feel like you are in a toxic environment with somebody. So now it's kind of like breaking the cycle, which is very hard. It's like you might not see quite what you should do. But again, you know there is another option. And it's a choice. You stay in this on and off playing energy, or you just choose you. Okay, because I see you right here in this energy. And I see somebody here who they come in. I see friends with benefits. It's kind of something here by convenience. And this person might deal with other people. So whoever I pick the energy, it's kind of like, again, Scorpio, take care of you. Whatever is here. Because whoever is here, it's kind of, they might be because they benefit something from you. And I feel here you are quite the opposites here. Very opposite energy. So Spirit says it is a fated transformation coming in and breaking the cycle. Karmic energy between you two, indeed. You might feel there is a twin flame. It's not. It is a karmic lesson for you to learn. Because there is something here by convenience. Indeed, karmic energy loves. There's no joke. So let's see here. Scorpio. The Scorpio I'm talking here, you are single, you are awesome. And you need to reconsider your position where you are with this person. Okay? Because it's quite hard to break the cycle. But indeed, this person, either they manipulate a lot, either they are a player. Let's see. Knight of Wands, who you are and why you are here in the Scorpio's life. Could be somebody who you are working with, or could be somebody who is in your life for quite a while now. Yep. It's a drama person. Because I see here they are around other people. Single person. No offense, single person. But I feel here they do give their goods to others as well. Also, there is a Scorpio here. I don't want to offend anybody. I don't want to offend any zodiac signs, but it's kind of somebody here works in the escort services, you know, kind of this things. That's the energy I'm picking up, loves. That's no joke. And I feel here my Scorpio in here know that. And you feel like this person is so amazing, so great. But, you know, we all have a life, and that's their life. You might be here like, why this person does this? Why this person does that? But, hey, we cannot judge others. Six of Pentacles here. 10 of Cups. I feel here you are falling in love with this person. You are loving them. This person indeed might give you a different impression in the first place. Younger person indeed. Very flirting. It's like very outgoing person. But whatever they offer is not what you're looking for. Five of Pentacles. Knight of Pentacles. It's like, I feel here you try to move on from this person. It's so hard. And I feel you, Scorpio. Eight of Swords. Six of Cups, because you feel like you do have a connection with this person. And also it's kind of coming back over and over again with this person. What's the Hermit here in the middle? Over here, please. Thank you. Strength. I will overcome this. I got this. I know I'm stronger than this. Somebody here even says that. And yes, indeed you are. What's the choice here? Lovers, speak to me here. Emperor. Nine of Swords. And Knight of Swords. King of Wands. Six of Swords right here. So it's quite a situation here. And I feel here, you Scorpio, you struggle a lot. You don't really know what to do best in this situation. How to make a real decision here. And also it's kind of like I'm conflicted. Whatever this person does, but it's kind of they made a decision for themselves, whatever they want. And for you Scorpio, as you see here in your reading, we have all the nines here. 9 of Cups, 9 of Pentacles, 9 of Swords right here, and 9 of Wands in your overall. So this cycle is almost gone. And you can overcome it. Because indeed, Spirit says, make a decision and keep it. Because you are stronger than you think you are. But you need to be firm with that decision. Whatever it is, whatever is this person for you, whatever they do here, but I feel here this person decided to do whatever they do, and you will not turn them back, or you will not, you know, make them change their mind. Because look at here, you are in this Knight of Swords going after them, and I feel like a little conflicted. It's like, why? But King of Wands is that type of king, like, I made my decision, I know what I gotta do, and I'm taking action towards it. There's something here, this person is like, they made up their mind, so you need to make yours. So that's the regeneration here. And that's the between worlds. You need to make up your mind. Okay? You might feel like, wait, maybe this person made their mind and things like that. It's quite a thing, but indeed here Spirit says, move on. As much as you can provide this person, as much as, you know, but that's how they are acting. Might be a very specific situation here for a Scorpio, but I feel here, the Scorpio I am talking, it's single, very well known probably, very good with your finances, very well with the finances, very in tune with whatever it is. But boy, this person turned up your life upside down. And it's a faded connection. It's kind of like, a thing here is, a Scorpio might say like, well, I could give them everything. Why they do this? And you know, that's how it is sometimes. Slowly, yeah, there is movement for you, loves. Okay, let's see here a possible outcome. 3 of Wands jumped out. So I feel here you had big expectations from this person, but now it's kind of detaching from them. Let's see here, one possible outcome from all this. Or what's the advice? What's the advice for the Scorpio? 8 of Wands, Page of Swords, 5 of Cups, and Ace of Wands underneath. And King of Swords. Wow. I feel here you're still looking forward. But it's kind of like start making new plans for yourself. The only king is missing is King of Cups. Love's still there. You need to find it. Okay? And yeah, you need to be crystal clear. You expect this person other things here, but it's kind of like it's time to cut the loss and move on. Absolutely. Justice, balance. Being balanced, yes. Here. And see the truth here. Okay. For some of you, yes, you might lose some money in regards to this person. There might be, for some of you, a lawsuit here, something at that extent. But the thing is needed to move on. Try to move on because the love is waiting for you. Okay? A more balanced, a way better one. So that's the Spirit says. Cut the player. You deserve to be loved. And there is love, balanced love, good love. Okay? All right, Scorpio, let's see here what we have for you. And if you're dealing with any zodiac from Aries to the Pisces, let's see here what we're looking into the extended. We're looking to a Libra. We'll look to a Virgo. And we'll look to a Capricorn. And underneath we have a Cancerian. So we have Libra, Virgo, Capricorn, and Cancer. If you're dealing with any of the zodiac signs, in the extended, we're looking at what's the vibes between you two, what you are thinking about them, what they're thinking, or what you are between each other, and what the possible outcome. Love and light, Scorpios. And have an awesome month. We'll see you next time. Namaste.